serial killer is actively targeting victims across multiple states. Authorities are urging the public to remain alert as similar cases are investigated in every marked location.
This is not murder. This is preservation.
They seem to be chosen.
They have the same body proportions.
Holting. He's sly. And he's perverted.
He is rebuilding a person. Not random.
He is stitching it together.
He is crazy! No. He is very sober.